Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, as you can see, there are two icons on over Avatar's head. One is for the one is mic and second is a video. So basically the first one mic is basically is for the voice chat and the second one is for the face tracking. If you click on it, you will see the variation in mic here when I talk. So if you don't see this option over avatar's head, then how can you enable voice chat in the settings? I'll show you. So guys, let's come out of this game first and then we'll start the step. So once you are come out of the game, guys, you just need to click on this three dot. Now go to in settings and now you have to click on privacy here. So once you are in privacy, guys, you just need to scroll down and you will see here two permissions, microphone and camera input. So basically to get voice chat or to enable voice chat, you just need to enable this option. Microphone, you just need to allow the microphone from here, from the privacy. And to allow it, you just need to click on this toggle button. Click on it. So right now it is enabled. Just click on it. Now it will ask you to enable your microphone that can be used by Roblox. So basically this allow you to chat with your voice and but you have to follow community standard when talking. And if you find someone is abusing, you can report the abuse if you hear it. So just click on this enable, and once you enable it, camera microphone from here, you just need to go into game and click on mic to get voice chat feature. But if you don't see this option in the mic privacy, then guys, you have to verify your age. You can verify your age from account info, where you just need to confirm your birthday, and then it will ask you to upload a photo ID and the selfie. Once you upload both things, once you upload both things, guys, you will be able to get microphone in the privacy. Fine. I already made a video on that. How can you upload and how can you get microphone in the privacy? If you want to, then you can watch the video in the description. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.